Welcome to Invictus Porsche. Today we have here with us a Porsche 991. It's a very rare car, very rare spec, and I challenge you to find one similar. But it's not just any Porsche 991, it's a convertible 991 finished in this beautiful mahogany metallic paint color that matches the roof and the spoiler in the same color. On top of that, it's got a rare spec, which is the sports design package, and that gives it this redesigned front bumper and the ducktail at the back as well. Now generally you don't see a lot of, compared to the coupes, convertibles. So in this color combination, it's an even rarer package. This car is eccentric on the outside as well as on the inside. So you've got the classic beige leather seats that are in phenomenal conditions, that come with the 16-way adjustable seats, including lumbar support. You've got all the comforts you need inside this car. So everything from heated steering wheel to the sports option to the retractable wind deflector. It's got the Bose sound system, and the seats are also heated as well. It's also got keyless start and entry, so you get a fob that's already inside the key holder and you just twist it while still having the key in your pocket. On the inside, starting with the dashboard, you've got this black leather with this beige stitching which matches the seats, and then from the center console, this leather moves all the way along with the center console to the rear of the seats, and then the floor is also in beige color. You've got leather practically everywhere in this car, so no expense is spared in terms of the interior. Things to note on the interior include the multifunction smooth steering wheel with the paddle shifters also on the steering wheel. The gear lever is also covered in this really nice metalwork and covered in leather. The infotainment system has mobile phone connectivity, allowing you to make phone calls and receive phone calls, as well as play music via your phone. It also has navigation system, radio, etc. as well. One of the other small touches that I also like about this car is the embossed Porsche crest in the headrest. For performance figures, this car has 344 brake horsepower, 390 Newton meters of torque. It weighs just under 1,500 kilograms. The top speed is 177 miles an hour. In terms of fuel efficiency, they are quite fuel efficient, so you can get anything from 35 to 42 miles per gallon. So in terms of seeing the engine, you operate it as you would with the rear boot button, but what it does is it lifts this part of the roof, showing you the engine, which isn't a great deal to see, but it's the fans that you will see in some of the fluid and oil top-up positions. So in terms of the exterior, this car looks as gorgeous with the top up as it does with the top down. So we talked about the ducktail. Other exterior features to note are the sports tailpipes, the retractable side mirrors that are also auto dimming. The wheels are 19-inch, currently painted in the body color. So in terms of driving, 911s are infamously known for handling, but they're also great cruisers, which is why you can expect to get, for a sports car, pretty phenomenal fuel efficiency. One of the things that I like about base Carreras is that you don't need to break your leg in order to get the performance out of it. So you can simply put it into sports mode and just put your foot down. And the engine will sing to 7,500 RPM, no problem. The 991 is the third series, essentially, that is based on a brand new platform. The second was the 996 in '98, and you obviously had the original 911, which was introduced in 1963. This car has had 3 owners from brand new. The current owner has had it for the last 2 years. It's also got 4 stamps in the book, all from Porsche. So the service history is up to date. It doesn't need a service for another year. And these 991s are fairly reliable. This being a particularly low mileage car should present no concerns to the future owner. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and comment.